Welcome. In front of me is DELL G15, and in this video I will show you what to do if your laptop freezes. First, let's check if your device is frozen fully or partially. Let's pretend that this application is causing our device to freeze. In such case, you'll have to press a combination of 3 keys, which are CTRL ALT and DELL or delete buttons. So press CTRL ALT and delete buttons simultaneously, and if you see this screen in front of you, that means that your laptop must be frozen only partially, and to unfreeze it you simply have to select Task Manager, then go to Processes. In Processes, right click the application that is causing your device to freeze and right click on it and select End Task. And after that your device should start working normally. Now if this didn't happen and if your device has been frozen all this time, then it probably means that there are no other option than pressing and holding the power key until your device shuts down. And this way we will force restart your laptop and it will unfreeze it. Hold it down for about 15 seconds until it turns off completely, then press it once again to turn it on. And after your device turns on, you'll be able to use it normally once again. Now if your device didn't want to turn off, then the only solution for your problem would be to unplug the charging cable from your PC and let it stay like this until your laptop fully discharges. Then plug in your charging cable once again into your laptop and turn it on, and then start it up by pressing the power button. And after that your laptop should start working normally. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.